All right, so today we're looking at the B7300, the Kubota. If you watched my previous video, the tire came off when I was tilling. They're dry rotted. The rear tire came off. Front tire I've been pumping up every time I need to run, but it just got to the point where couldn't keep air in the tires. So we are going to swap them out. I called Kubota. They discontinued the tire. Years ago, Firestone used to make them. And so started digging around. Well, we were running out of time. We had a field to plant, so we ended up buying this John Deere. But I don't like having equipment around if it doesn't work. And one of the reasons is things just get put all around it, and you can tell. So my thing is it's either sell it or fix it. So we're gonna fix it. Got on Facebook, found a group, joined the group, and then asked who has tires for this Kubota. Put the sizes there, and I got contacted, luckily enough, by somebody in my hometown. And for front and rear, it's $760, mounted and everything. I just got to bring the tires up there. So we're going to take them off and get up there and get these tires swapped out. There is a bunch of leaks. There's some things that I need to do long term for this, but if it's going to be on the farm, it needs to be operational. Otherwise, it's just not worth having. I do not like clutter. And so once everything started collecting around it, it was time to make a decision. So, and this crate here is actually for a flail motor, or not flail motor, but mower on this R322. So I'm pretty excited about that one. Because we do live out in the country, they don't come and cut the sides of the road, so we have to. And yeah, I'm excited about that. Anyway, back to the Kubota. Let's get the tires off and get up there and get them swapped out. All right, tires are on. Did my 100-foot drive, retorqued them. Then I did some yard work with it. Checked them again just to make sure. There's one that concerned me, but you want to make sure and retorque after you drive, especially when putting on new tires. The back ones, don't know if I said earlier, but it's 22 millimeter socket, 17 millimeter up front. And these tires for the B73, they are 29 by 12.5 by 15. And these up front, let's see, what were they? They were 20.5 by 8 by 10. So yeah, they are a discontinued tire if you go through Kubota, but Carlisle sells these. They're made in the US. I got them from a local tire shop. The guy reached out to me on Facebook. $760 mounted and everything. Can't really complain. So we're back in action, and yeah, it works. It leaks though, but I've got some parts on order in eBay. Probably gonna end up going through the head, replacing a couple of valve stems. More than likely they're leaky. So if you want to follow along in the process of rebuilding this, I'm going to be doing that. But got sidetracked on the farm today. We built some traps for voles and mice for our dahlia field in the back. So I'll do a video on that too, because it's a pretty cool bait station that we made. But anyway, hope you have a good day.